Hey, what's up, guys? This is Deepon, and welcome back to WP Mafia. Here you can see there are more than 1400 comments. How much post I have? Simply click on that, and there is the default post, hello world, and the comment are really huge. So these are totally spam comments. All the comments has contained links and links. So this is probably you must face if you run a WordPress website. And in today's video we will going to talk about how you can stop spam comments on your WordPress website by using a simple plugin called Ask Me. In the previous video, I told you about how you can install the Jetpack plugin. This is really simple and this is very helpful plugin. To stop spam commenting, you must have this plugin called Jetpack. Then you have to follow my this video. So first of all, go to the previous video and check it out how you can install the Jetpack, and then come to here. Now let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and click on plugin and add new plugin. On the feature section, you can see the first plugin is Arcsmith anti-spam. You can also search the plugin by searching here, but you can install from there also. Simply I have installed and activate the plugin, and as I already said, you must have the Jetpack plugin because Jetpack and Arcsmith is the same plugin and it's a extension of Jetpack plugin. So here you can see I have already signed up with the wordpress.com with the Jetpack plugin, so I don't need any further dons. Just simply click on connect with Jetpack. Then here you can see three types of plan. One is name your price, is personal and plus and enterprise. If you want to go with the premium plans where you will get more features to protect your spam comments, but here I will go only with the get personal plan, and which is completely free. So simply I will click on that, and completely zero will I will do it zero. I don't need anything. So simply then continue with personal subscription. But before that you have to check it out this boxes. So please don't forget to check these boxes and simply continue with personal subscription. After some time the Arcsmith account will be open, and here you can see Arcsmith API key. You have to copy this key. Simply right click and copy, and here you can see manually enter the an API key. So click on that and simply paste that API key you have copied, and click continue with API key. Here are some settings which you can use as your purpose. If you want to show that how much approved comments beside each comment author, so you can click on that. If you want to delete all the spam comments automatically, then you can click on that. Or if you want to not delete the comments, spam comments, you just want to put them into the spam folder, then you can select in by default this. But I want to select it because I don't want to see or face any spam comments. So simply that's it, and click on save buttons, and of course everything is done, and you have to remove these comments manually. So by clicking here you can select all comments and bulk option to delete all comments, or if you have much comments you don't want to simply you go to the pending comments. This is very easy process to delete comments in a bulk process. Here you can see there are only the default is 20, but here I have saved 50, so you can also increase it around 100 or anything you want. So click on that and simply select on bulk option, that is move to trash, and click on apply. But in my case I have only on post with no content. This is a demo post. If I delete this post, all comments will be deleted. So simply I will delete this post. That's it, all comments are deleted. So I hope you have understand that how you can install the Ask Me plugin, and believe this is the only way how you can put all spam comments in the trash folder automatically, and that is completely free. You don't have to pay any amount. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more blogging related videos. That's it for today, guys. I will get you in the next one.